Oh, how you do? Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
How you do? Oh, I need to stop. My bad. What's good, TNT gang? It's your boy Tony B and
Todd Burnett.
yeah.
Longest time.
Yeah. Hey, and we are excited today because we just purchased a car that was imported from Japan.
Nah, I don't believe it.
Yeah, I said Japan. I said konnichiwa. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Come on, man.
Yeah, I need to stop. I'm sorry, y'all. If any of y'all offended by that, I'm sorry. But I'm just so excited, man. Today, I'm going to reveal the car that we got. We got it a couple months ago. Not a couple months, but a month ago. Yeah, it was a surprise for my wife. Nice. You know, hey, your boy had to do it big for the wife, man. You know what I'm saying? Happy wife, happy life. If y'all don't know, I used to have a Challenger SRT and I had to sell it, man. I had to sell it for this thing right here. And you're wondering, man, Tony, why'd you go with a tuner, man? You just had a muscle car. You boy, hey, I had to switch it up, y'all. I had to switch it up. But I promise y'all gonna like it when y'all see it, man. All right, man, yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm a little nervous. Y'all might not like it, but you know, some of y'all might like it. All right, here we go. Oh, man.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Ah!
Oh, yeah. Your boy, he went out there and got him a soccer mom car.
Excuse me, it's ma'am. It is ma'am.
A soccer mom car. Yeah, man. I had to do it. You know, it was best for the family, man. Had to go from the two-door, the green machine. Had to get us a good family vehicle that would house all three of my boys and me, and have good fuel economy, reliable. And man, I'm gonna tell you this. We're gonna go over some of the key features that we liked about this car, man. We ain't gonna, you know, be all on here too long because I know y'all don't want to hear nothing about no van, but we want to give y'all the key features that we love about this van. Hey guys, don't worry. We have a lot of mods waiting for this car, man. I know y'all like, man, why a van? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna slam it down. I'm gonna put some rims on it.
No, you ain't.
Oh,
You better think again. You ain't putting no rims on there.
dang. Oh, I guess I'm not then. Well, at least, you know, we could supercharge that thing.
Boy, have you lost your mind? We ain't supercharging nothing.
Okay, I guess we can't supercharge it, man. But we can at least put an exhaust on that mud.
Yes, again, boy.
Okay. Well, maybe not an exhaust. I don't know what we're gonna do there. I guess we're just gonna go through the features and let y'all know why we bought it. Go ahead and ask Taj what he like about the outside. You know, he's so in love with this car. I'm gonna ask him what he like about the outside first. What you like, man?
I like.
Get over here so you can see better.
I like the black.
Like the black paint. Yeah, with black paint, you can't rub your hand on there because you'll scratch it.
You're not my dad.
That's all right though. What else? What else you like, man? You like the tires, like the wheels. We call those rims. We call them wheels. Very nice, very nice. Anything else you like about the outside?
I like the mirrors.
Okay, all right. I think that's it for him. But me, you know, personally, you know, I like this style of van, you know, compared to other ones. You know, they all boxes, so you know, there's real no kind of style cues that you really like about a van unless you just like these kind of vans. But one thing I really like is it got power everything. The one we got the SL model. We got the circus tricks where you can open up the doors. I opened up the wrong door. I love the power lift gate back there in the back too. I think this is his favorite part, is having his own spot in the back. Ain't that right?
Yeah, that is so right.
Yeah, man, he got his own spot in the back, got leather seats, got a remote. Show him the remote. You got the remote? The remote for what? You got the remote for the DVD player, man. Yeah, we got a DVD player here too, man. This is definitely one of your favorite features in the car, right? Mm-hmm. Is a DVD player.
And what's it?
It's not on.
Oh.
Let's see. Hold on, guys.
2 hours later.
After some technical difficulties where I tore my head up, hit the button so they can see what you got going on, my man.
Oh.
Just once, Toss.
Oh.
Just once.
And guess what?
And what we got
get to
planned?
watch TV.
We got SpongeBob. Yeah, this is one of the great features that he likes about the car. Don't you?
I really do.
All right.
This is the favorite part.
I like just the comfortability, the space. Really, the main thing is the space. We can get all the boys in here with a lot of space left.
Oh, and you're a regular Rhodes Scholar.
And guess what? If you come to 1303,
Oh my God! Wow!
you might.
Oh, don't tell her my address. Why you? Let me cut this. Oh my goodness. Now that this man didn't expose our address, which y'all probably already seen it anyway. Yeah, y'all come if y'all want to now. Hey, I'm ready for it. Y'all come if y'all want to. But hey, one of my, like I said, my favorite feature is the space. I just love the space. I love the Bose stereo. You know what I'm saying? That's me. I love music. So hey, that's one of the great features I like in this whip. And the leather seats. Yeah, it's all comfortable. All comfortable. All comfortable.
Get some help.
I can't believe it.
Well, yeah, I'm having a little trouble trying to, think of some things that I like about it. I pretty much said everything. I'm not going to keep y'all here long, man. I know, y'all don't want to see nothing about no van, but pretty much, man, it's comfortable. You know what I'm saying? It's convenient. They have all the boys ripping and running out of there. If y'all didn't see them running in there, it's so much better than what we had before. We had a Suzuki XL7, which is trash. It's a GM product pretty much, and it wasn't no good. But I like this thing, man. I really don't have too much to say. But hey, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like it, hit that like button. Please do. Please like it, man. I know this ain't the best video, but we gonna bring some heat, y'all. I got a lot of things I want to do with my son, man. He just loves cars. He want to be on the videos, so I definitely want to make this channel for me and him so that we can bond together and make good content for you guys to laugh and enjoy. Like I said in the channel trailer, man, this is where, hey, fun and cars collide. So we gonna do this. What you got to say? What you got to say, bud?
You forgot.
The sunroof. Yeah, I forgot we got dual sunroofs up here, man. But hey, what you want to tell them before we end the video? You got to tell them to like. No, you got to tell them to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Tell them that.
Like it, subscribe it,
and comment.
Like,
comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe to me and my dad.
Yep, to me and my dad's channel. What's the name of the channel?
TNT Garage.
Yeah. Hey, y'all heard the man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please do. All right, guys. Peace.
Stupid. Go crazy.